In this video, I'll explain sunrise or sunset offset, how to fine-tune automations around natural light. Sometimes, exact sunrise or sunset timing isn't ideal. Sunrise/sunset offset lets you trigger automations before or after the actual sun event for more natural and practical control. Turn outdoor lights on 20 minutes before sunset, open curtains 30 minutes after sunrise, or activate garden sprinklers after morning dew dries. The system automatically adjusts timings daily based on your location, keeping automations accurate throughout the year. This creates smarter lighting, better ambience, and routines that feel more natural to everyday life. Now, I'll show you how to create sunrise or sunset offset automations so your devices can run before, exactly at, or after sunrise or sunset based on natural light timing. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Automation at the bottom. Tap on the plus button and select sunrise or sunset. Now choose whether you want the automation to run based on sunrise or sunset. Next, choose the timing option. Select On Time if you want the automation to run exactly at sunrise or sunset. Select Before Sunset if you want the automation to run a few minutes before sunset. For example, you can turn on outdoor lights 20 minutes before sunset, so the area is already lit before it gets dark. Select After Sunset if you want the automation to run a few minutes after sunset. This is useful when you want lights or devices to activate only after it becomes darker. For sunrise, you can choose after sunrise to open curtains or start morning routines once natural light is available. Now select the required offset time. Tap on Grab Location and then tap Confirm Location. This allows the app to calculate sunrise and sunset timings accurately based on your location. Tap Next. Create the required action type, such as turning on lights, opening curtains, activating sprinklers, or running a scene. Finally, tap Save. That's it. Your automation will now adjust automatically every day based on the actual sunrise or sunset time in your location. Thank you.